How to buy LeZhi killer token. So this token came under the symbol of Q or of Kyo or Kyonde. This is the name. I hope this is the right name. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 57 minutes to 58 minutes ago, and it increased by 195,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's medium investment in the safe place. This token trending number 7 on Ethereum section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. That's called Q or Kuande. So click on it, and here click on swap. As you can see, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it, and after that click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy KUCOIN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.